Listen up, folks, the sales game is changing. Old school tactics just don't cut it anymore. Pushy cold calls and boring product pitches, they're dead. Today's consumers are smarter and more connected. They've got bullshit detectors that can spot a sleazy sales pitch from a mile away. So what's a savvy business owner to do? Simple, adapt or die. It's time to think outside the box and get creative with your sales strategies. I'm talking about strategies that engage and provide value. Strategies that make your customers feel like they're part of something bigger. Because here's the truth bomb. People don't just buy products anymore. They buy experiences, brands, and stories. So buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into some game-changing sales strategies. These aren't your grandpa's tactics. These are cutting-edge approaches, revolutionizing the way businesses connect with customers. Ready to level up your sales game? Let's go. All right, let's talk social selling. This isn't about spamming your followers with product links. It's about building real relationships in the digital world. It's about providing value before you even think about making a sale. And let me tell you, it works. People spend hours every day scrolling through their social feeds. That's where their attention is. That's where you need to be. But you can't just show up and start selling. You've got to become part of the conversation, share insights, offer solutions, be human. Take LinkedIn, for example. It's a goldmine for B2B sales. Companies like IBM have nailed this. Their sales reps use LinkedIn to share industry insights, engage in meaningful discussions, and subtly showcase their expertise. The result? Warm leads that are actually excited to hear from them. But it's not just about LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, they're all fair game. The key is to understand your audience and meet them where they are. Gary Vee built an entire wine empire by leveraging Twitter and YouTube. We didn't just talk about wine. We created content that resonated with our audience. We built a community. And guess what? The sales followed. Now let's get into experiential marketing. This is where the magic happens, people. It's not about telling people about your product. It's about letting them experience it. It's about creating moments that stick in their minds long after the event is over. Think about it. What's more powerful, a billboard ad for a new car, or the chance to test drive that car on a professional racetrack? Yeah, exactly. Experiential marketing taps into emotions. It creates memories. And those memories, they're worth their weight in gold when it comes to sales. Take Red Bull, for example. They don't just sell energy drinks. They sell a lifestyle. Their events, from air races to cliff diving competitions, are legendary. They create experiences that people want to be part of. And guess what happens? People associate that excitement, that adrenaline rush, with the Red Bull brand. The goal is to create an emotional connection. When people feel connected to your brand, they're more likely to become loyal customers. AI-powered personalization, the future of sales. AI, machine learning, big data, the future of sales. AI is revolutionizing customer interaction. Think Netflix, personalized recommendations, tailored suggestions keep you engaged. Apply this to your sales process. Predict buying behavior, identify upselling. Amazon dominates with AI. AI tools are accessible to all. Chatbots handle inquiries, freeing your team. Optimize pricing, forecast sales, personalize emails. Start small, test, scale. Section 5, influencer partnerships, tapping into trust networks. Let's talk influencers. Now I know what you're thinking, Gary. Isn't influencer marketing just a fad? No way, Jose. Influencer partnerships are here to stay. Why? Because they tap into something incredibly powerful. Trust. People trust recommendations from people they know and admire. It's that simple. But here's the thing. Influencer marketing isn't just about paying a celebrity to hold your product in an Instagram post. It's about finding authentic voices that align with your brand values. It's about building long-term relationships with people who can genuinely advocate for your product or service. Take Daniel Wellington, for example. This watch company built a $200 million business primarily through influencer marketing. They partnered with micro-influencers, people with smaller but highly engaged followings. These influencers weren't just posting ads, they were integrating the watches into their lifestyle content. It felt authentic, it felt real. But here's the real power of influencer partnerships. They allow you to tap into niche markets. Instead of trying to reach everyone, you can partner with fitness influencers who focus on plant-based nutrition. You're not just reaching more people, you're reaching the right people. And in sales, that's what really matters. Embracing innovation, the key to sales success. The key to sales success today is innovation. Try new things, take risks, and learn fast. The marketplace is always changing. Innovation means improving what you already do. Be open to new ideas and technologies. Sales is about understanding and meeting customer needs. Connect, provide value, build relationships, start innovating. The future of sales is waiting. Let's crush it.